late wondering what that noise is. Yeah, so am I. This is what I'm sitting beside right now, trying to fall asleep. I can't sleep. Could you?